Hey dear learners, I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine and I welcome you all to the explorative learning. Let us study about Capsicum Annum, one of the most important vegetable poison, and questions can be asked in your PG entrance examination or UGC net examination from this topic. Go and check out the playlist. I have made a brilliant playlist on vegetable poisons where we will cover different types. So first of all, if we have a look at the introduction of vegetable poison, it is known as capsicum or chili fruit, okay, and the powdered form that you must have seen your mother using in the household to enhance the flavor of your food item. It is also known as chili pepper or lal mirch powder, that powdered form I'm talking about, okay, and it has a pungent smell along with some burning and irritating taste. You must have tried hot chips. There are lots and lots of chili powder which is sprinkled on the hot chips, and after eating it you must feel that burning sensation around your lips and inside your mouth as well. So this is what the burning and irritating taste is. Its seeds are somewhat 0.3 centimeter long and wide, and they are somewhat similar to the dhatura seeds. We will learn about dhatura plant in detail in upcoming lectures of plant poison, okay, so just stay tuned. Then it belongs to Solanaceae family, and larger and sweeter cultivators are called capsicum. It is basically found in Australia and New Zealand. This paragraph might not be of much use for you. Then it is basically a flowering plant in nature, so you can easily find out different type of purple, white and green flowers. The shape of flower can be either star or can be stellar shape, that is star shape, or can be bell shaped as well. Fine. Now if we talk about the active principles, common active principles present in Capsicum annum include capsaicin, and they are mostly acrid, volatile and non-alkaloid and non-fatal substance. Now non-fatal means they do not cause death of the person. Now think about it, when you consume chili in large amount you must face some problems of indigestion, or burning sensation in your GIT, but it is not the case that death can occur. So they are mostly non-fatal alkaloid. It is rarely seen, extremely rare in the case of alkaloid, but okay, here as you can see they are non-fatal. So yeah, then some sign and symptoms. When it is applied, and of course it will cause irritation as well as some vesiccation, like it is used for escaping out from robbery. Just it is not something that one should do, but it may act as some defense mechanism. People often throw this chili powder in eyes of the robber and they simply escape from them. So it basically causes irritation and burning, and robber might not able to see when you can successfully escape out. And when thrown in eyes, look, lacrimination, redness and burning red. This is what I have told you with the help of a day-to-day life example. On ingestion in large quantity, now what happens is it can act as an irritant poison and burning sensation in the mouth. I have explained this to you with the example of hot chips. Then throat, esophagus along with stomach, it often leads to poor digestion. You may face diarrhea in case you have consumed lots and lots of chili. Treatment. Okay, you must have your friend saying that subah pata lagega in case you eat a lots of chili or something very over spicy. In case of application of skin, it should be thoroughly washed with water and treated symptomatically, means depending upon the symptom that it has caused. In case you feel there are some rashes, to go apply some ointment on it. You can also use ice pack in order to reduce the effect of burning that it has caused, okay. If ingested means in large amount, okay. We are not talking about the normal amount of ingestion that we often add chili to our household, okay. It is not something that is extremely poisonous or can be fatal to you, no. So just don't misinterpret it. The tongue should be scraped by a burnt edge instrument and ice should be given to suck in case you can get some ice cream for you. So it will produce a cooling effect and will reduce the burning sensation that is caused to your tongue. Then in case it is thrown to the eyes, wash your eyes with saline water and some antibiotic can be given in this case. Then corticosteroid drops can also be useful in case chili powder is thrown in eyes. Fine. Then medico-legal aspects, it may be thrown in the eyes to facilitate robbery. Okay, so either of case is possible. Either you can throw it in eyes of robber to use it as some kind of defense mechanism, or a your weapon of defense, or robber can throw the chili powder in the eyes of victim. There are several cases in which robbery is done by throwing this chili powder in the eyes of the victim itself. So either of cases can be possible. Then the powder is also used as a means of torture in order to extort money. Then introduction into the eyes, urethra, vagina, or rectum or nose as well can be done in case of torture. Then superstition people use the fumes of chili. This is often used in Indian households. I have seen that many people doing it. They believe that in case we burn the chili and some smokes are produced, so it is the sign that there is some evil eye or some bad spirit that is present on the body of the victim. In order to get rid of it, even that to escape that nazar out from the body of the victim, chili is used. Fine. So this is somewhat related to your day-to-day life, and I hope you can easily relate to it the way I can. So thank you so much, and keep watching our lectures, and do subscribe our channel.